Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to create a poll on WhatsApp so you can quickly get feedback from your friends, family, or group members. Polls are perfect for planning events and making group decisions. First thing first, open WhatsApp on your device. You can create polls in group chats or even in one-on-one chats. Just go to the chats where you want to set up. Next, tap on the attachment icon, which looks like a little paperclip at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several options pop up, including document, camera, gallery. Now, for example, I can just ask a question. After adding questions and options, you can just tap on the arrow icon right here. And there we go. You've just created a poll on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.